this is Raisa speaking.
Hello, this is Miss Dinda. Could I talk to Miss Meysa?
Oh, I'm sorry, my mother is still working in the office.
What time she will be back?
I'm not sure. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, please. I got a pen and paper already.
I have some several designs that I recommend. I hope Miss Meysa can check it immediately and choose which design she wants to use.
Alright, I will send your message to her.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Mom. Can I speak for a minute?
Yes, Raisa, what is it?
I have a message for you from Miss Dinda.
Miss Dinda, what's the message?
She said she had sent some recommended design. She hopes Mom will quickly check it out and choose which design to use.
Oh well, I'll check it out right away. Thank you, Raisa.
Yes, Mom, you're welcome.